We begin with that newly released body cam of the moments NYPD officers fired shots on a subway platform. It happened in Brownsville, Brooklyn, Sunday. 2 innocent bystanders were shot. One is still fighting for his life. Ali Bauman spoke to a family member who's expressing their anger tonight.
The family of that 49-year-old innocent bystander says that he is fighting for his life in the hospital right now. They say that this video shows that officers acted recklessly and this shooting never needed to happen. Just released surveillance and body camera footage give multiple angles of the police shooting from Sunday afternoon at the Sutter Avenue subway station. The video shows 38-year-old Darrell Mickles first jumping the turnstile, then following police officers' orders to leave. The video highlights Mickles holding an open knife by his side as he does so. He returns about 10 minutes later and enters through the emergency door. Officers follow him to the platform where they direct him to drop the knife as he hides his hands behind his back and boards the L train. Police follow him on the car and continue to order him to put down the knife. They deploy a taser, which does not appear to work, and at the time, Mickles can be seen holding the knife again. He runs on the platform. Officers follow, and both officers fire their guns, shooting Mickles. In their pursuit, one officer also shot the other officer, and they shot a 26-year-old woman, both of whom have been released from the hospital. Police also shot 49-year-old Gregory Del Pesci in the head as he was on his way to work.
My cousin's fighting for his life every day from Sunday. A gunshot wound to the head. Like, make it make sense. You decided to open fire on someone that just didn't even lunge at you.
Del Pesci is in critical condition at the hospital. The suspect, Mickles, was arraigned from his hospital bed earlier today on charges of attempted assault and criminal possession of a weapon. His attorney says that he maintains his innocence. From Brownsville, Brooklyn, Ali Bauman, CBS News, New York.